Hello, another day in the life of a tile doctor. So we're at our neighbour's house today, and as you can see, they've got black mould in their silicone. And basically, this just needs ripping out. There's no really fixing this, no really cleaning, getting these out. You just have to rip it out and start it new.
We've got one of our tile doctors here who's going to show you how to do that. And the first thing he's got is a sharp knife. He's going to cut underneath and cut above to get the old silicone out, as you can see here.
And you have to repeat this a couple of times until eventually it will come loose. Once you've got all of the old silicone out, you can start fresh.
Also, a good point to point out is when you're doing silicone, make sure you fill the bathtub halfway full, so you know where to place the silicone as the bath does drop. Then our tile doctor is going to use our silicone sealant. He is using the white one, but they do various different colours, so all depending on which sealant you need for your bathroom.
And then where you've got rid of this old silicone, you're going to put the new one in. So just take it along the line, keep adding extra silicone in. So just keep pressing it just so you cover all of that gap, because obviously we don't want any water to get into these gaps, and hence the silicone. And just do that all the way to the end. And then you're going to need one of these. This is a profile silicone strip. You definitely need one of these if you're going to do this kind of job. You want to start on the edge and follow it through so you can get a nice even look on the silicone and just make it look very natural. You might need to do this a couple of times, as you can see here, and then just check for like any bumps and stuff like that and wipe away any of the excess. And then once done, it will look like this, and it looks so great. The client's really happy, and yeah, it's really easy to do.